Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to backup Telegram messages. So the first step is to simply open Telegram and then you're gonna have to go to your settings. Then simply scroll down and go to data and storage, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on using cellular, and then you're gonna have to enable auto download media, and then make sure that for photos you choose on for all chats, stories on for all chats, and then data usage make sure that is selected to high. Now you're gonna have to do the same thing for Wi-Fi, and basically this will back up and will save all the videos and photos. And if you want to use your Telegram account on another device and you want to keep the messages, all you have to do is simply log in into your Telegram account, and then automatically is gonna be auto downloaded to your new device, all the messages and all the videos. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.